All right, guys, so just updated my board since we flooded it last. Right there.
It's in the water.
So now we're rocking the blue on blue right here. Pretty sweet. New rails, free ride bumpers from Onewheel, and then the all new low boy foot pads, but the soft version, which so far they're amazing. I love them, both sides. It's like a Kush almost on the backside. And right here, got the performance tire still. Can't go wrong with it.
Oh my God.
Today we got a special video. We got the soft low boys. So we have the regular low boys, super low to the ground. We love them. Been riding them for how many months? Like quite a bit, like a year almost. I'd say 6 months, yeah. So what these do is these soften the ride up. You can tell these are super flimsy right here. You can just bend them like that. Just fold them. They're just super soft, and you can like ride longer distances. See how they push in like that? So you can ride way longer if you just have them softer. So we're gonna test them out to see if it really helps that much, because after like maybe 3 miles, I'd say you start to feel it, and you're like, you don't really need to take a break, but you're almost there after like 3 miles. So yeah. So let's get into it. So people have been asking me, why don't I ride with a Kush? So I love the Kush. The Kush is awesome, but it's for really going fast on trails and stuff. You want that more room because trails get bumpy and all that. So you want more room. After looking at it, these soft low boys are just about the same size. And they have that lip like the low boys, like the Kush. So this might give Kush a run for their money.
And
See
it's
it?
more cushy.
Yeah, and it's a little bit Kush. It's more Kush. So this is the Kush bend. This is a regular Float Life Kush. We got the soft low boys. Oh, oh my goodness. This is way harder to bend. And this is just soft and easy to bend. So look, that's both the Kush and the low boy soft. So let me know what y'all think. So the reason we even got these foot pads is because, first off, they're $175, which is pretty expensive. But the reason we got them is we won the Onewheel Ride Inside Challenge. So we got a $300 gift card that you have to spend all at once. So we just went ahead and bought them just to see how they'd be. And so far we haven't put them on, but they look awesome. So this is what I do. This is my job, to show y'all the best products for Onewheel, like what Onewheel products y'all should ride. And I'm thinking this might be the way to go right here. It's about time we take these rails off. Got some new ones.
There you go.
All right, you got this part. I ain't peeling up this glue. So as soon as I step on it, I immediately notice a difference. First off, my copper wire is not working. Second off, the first difference I noticed, as soon as I stepped on both of them, I noticed this foot is more, it's like more caved in. Like, I don't know. It feels like more.
So now you're even more lower to the ground?
Yeah, like it feels like a hole that you're putting your foot in. It's kind of clean. I like it. All right, guys, so we just got the new soft low boys and changed up the rails. and we're just gonna head them for a ride. Apparently they help with feet fatigue, so I'll see if it helps. Later. I mean, that'll bring the comments up. That's not hard at all.
Oh
I
yeah.
do that with my eyes closed. Freaking up. So when we hit this curve right here, I already see people saying, "Bro, that's easy. I can do that with my eyes closed." So let's do it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I kind of lost.